Welcome to today's Kitty's Mama video. Today we're going to be doing Poshmark and how to do it, like how you list items and what items we're going to be selling. And before we jump into this video, we'd like to thank Poshmark for sponsoring this video. Poshmark is an app where you can sell things and buy things. You can bargain with people for like shoes and stuff. There's a lot of good shoes on Poshmark, by the way. I got this sweater from Poshmark. It's high quality, it's good stuff. But today we're going to be showing you how to list things on Poshmark. Today we're going to be listing a whole ton of items and I'm going to show you 4 of them. So, item number 1. Alright, item number 1 is this 2-piece cover up from Submarine Swim. Very cute. It's got like an orange background and paisley over it. If you want it, it'll be for sale. And if you use our code, you get a free $5 off your first purchase. And also, parents and kids and teens with parents help, click the link down below to download the Poshmark app and check out our closet. And also start your own closet if you would like. If you've got nice clothes, I maybe just might buy something from your closet. Item number 2 is this really nice soprano, I don't know how to pronounce it. Suede kind of crop top, tank top with fringe on the sides. Item number 3, juicy couture shorts. I got these on our first trip to LA at the Grove. They're very nice and I like them a lot. They're white and they have blue, pink, and aqua seams on them. And in the back, it's got these gold studs that are kind of spiked at the top of the pockets. And then down here it says juicy, because you know, that's how brands work. You gotta put your name on everything. Item number 4 is the last one. This time, it's a pair of flowy shorts. They have ruffle seams down the front. You can see that right there. And at the top, it's stretchy. And there's ruffle at the top. And at the bottom, there's even more ruffles. Wow, would you believe it? And this is an extra small teen size. Probably like a woman's size 1 or 0. Alright, we're going to be listing a whole ton of these. Some of Jonah's items too. And we also have jewelry and shoes and cool things. I don't know if we have shoes anymore, we might have sold them. But I think we'll be having shoes. I believe so, don't take my word on that. Now we're going to show you how to list items and how we list items. And I'm going to be using the Submarine Swim cover-up as an example. The first step of putting an item on Poshmark is taking a picture of it hanging. And now it's time to show you step 2 of that, which is getting other pictures online that aren't from yourself and are from the company. So we went to the Submarine Swim website and we got photos of the product. And then whenever we went to their Instagram, we got pictures of our friend Cassidy modeling it. So now we're just gonna open up our Poshmark app and create the listing. So you're gonna wanna press this sell button. Because I've already taken the pictures, I'm just gonna press the library button. I'm first gonna choose the model photos because those will be the best cover photo and it'll make someone wanna click on them. If they see the item being like modeled and in like a good background and everything, it'll draw attention to it instead of just a picture of a shirt hanging in a closet. Alright. So now I have my picture selected, and I'm not selecting this one because it might mislead someone and think, oh, they're selling the blue version. And I don't want to make someone think that we have an item that we don't. So, I have the cover photo selected, and I don't need to add anything to them or do anything to them. So I'm just going to press the next button. So I'm just going to enter in the information, like the name of the product, and information about it, like material, and how many times it's been worn, and if it has tags or not, and stuff like that. This is the Cha-Cha set. Alright, so here is what the final listing looks like. We have our cover photo here, more pictures of Cassidy modeling it, and then we have the website photos, and then we have our photos. And then we took the description from the website and added our own information, like how I've only worn it once, and it's good, and it's from Submarine Swim, and we've added the main colors of it, which is red and orange. We have this priced at $25 for both of the items, when originally on Submarine, both of the items added together equals $70. and you can get it for $25. Or you can offer us less. Or you can use our code and get $5 off and get it for $20. And we also have what's called a bundle, which is if you buy multiple of our items in like a group, then you can get a discount on it. And a ton of stores on Poshmark have that. So if you find an item you like and you go, oh, that's cool, and you look at the Posher's closet and you end up liking a bunch of the other stuff, if you buy like a bundle, chances are you'll get a discount. Currently right now, we have the cover up and a bunch of jewelry. We're gonna take some time and we're gonna add 9 more listings to our Poshmark closet because we have a lot of clothes. And these eventually will be all up on Poshmark. We're gonna at least list 10 later tonight, so those will all be up by the time this video is uploaded. So, check out our Poshmark closet, use our code, and click the link in the description. If you're an adult or like a kid or a teen who has a parent like hovering over your shoulder and is there to help you. So, thank you for watching this video. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. And by the way, my hair, I have an appointment scheduled for 12:15 tomorrow. So, my hair will be pink in the next video, that's for sure. For sure. Click these rectangles to watch videos and click the circle to subscribe. I might be doing it backwards, but you get the gist of it. So, bye!